Sometimes, the difference between victory and defeat is just 1/10 of a second. In the blink of an eye, you've moved from the shadows into the spotlight. This decisive fraction of a second is made possible by a series of elements, crafted to perfection by men and women who are laser-focused on the same goal. It all starts with an alloy, often rare, with properties and in grades that meet the highest aerospace standards. It is cut, machined, drilled, and shaped. Each step is methodical and precise. There is no room for error. The most advanced technology is used so that man and machine can become one and push the bounds of excellence. Every second shaved off a race is the fruit of our unique expertise and the efforts of dedicated engineers who work hand in hand with highly qualified technicians. A triumphant win may hinge on a mere 1/10 of a second, but the work behind it is anything but minuscule. Seconds turn into hours, days, and weeks, during which our team lose track of time as they work tirelessly to develop the transmissions of the future. Using a watchmaker's precision, each element finds its place. Building on this technological alchemy, we watch the fruits of our expertise and hard work become a reality.
We can advise you and give you technical details.
Our teams are here to listen, advise, and assist you with services to meet your needs throughout the world. At SADEV, we strive to constantly push the boundaries of perfection with high-tech transmissions. Because nothing motivates us more than watching that elusive 1/10 of a second light up your face.